Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about a specific problem when you want to validate an input field and the Selenium just types in more characters than it is possible manually. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to reproduce this issue because this was an issue for me on another project, and some versions are not the same, so that's why I cannot show it to you, but I will speak about it and you will understand it. So here I've made a really dummy website, and right now here you can write 6 characters. Okay, and when I wanted to validate it with Selenium sendKeys method, then it was able to type here more characters than it is possible manually. And I've made a really small project. So when everything is working properly, you can validate an input field like this. So here I have to type in more characters, and this way I will go into this method. You will able to check all these methods because I will put this project to GitHub, and I will share also the link in the description. So here I'm using data table, and in this method I'm comparing the expected appearing value and the actually appearing value. So if everything is working properly, sendKeys method is working properly, then you can validate the input field like this. I will just run this quickly. And right now it says, oh yeah, because I didn't type in the same. Now, yeah, it should be the same, and also 6 here, 6 characters, so I don't need this one. We will just run it again. And it's also good that I have some problems when I'm making the videos, because you can see how am I able to fix them. Okay, so now it's perfect. So for example here I just give Selenium that it has to type in 9 characters, but as you can see, or as you saw, it wasn't able to type in this much characters, only these characters were in the input field. Okay, and what's the situation when Selenium types in more characters than it is possible manually? Then you can validate the input field like this. I just go into the method, and here you see that I'm checking the max length attribute, because when I go to DevTools, then you can see that here max length attribute is restricting how many characters can be typed into this input field. If I change it for 7, then I'm able to type in more characters. I change it back to 6, and if I go back, then I'm not able to type in more characters. Okay, so I just 1 second, I just run it again with this method. And it says that it's okay. And I also tried to run it with 7, because when I write tests, I do almost every time check, so that if I type in something wrong, then it should fail, because there's also a scenario when when it also passes, the test passes when something is wrong. So I always check it with bad input data and those kind of things. So right now it failed. Yeah, I expected 7 but found 6. Okay, I just write it back. So basically that's all. You can check all the versions what I'm using, Cucumber, Java, and so on. But basically this was a little problem that I wanted to share with you guys, because when I started to search for this problem on the internet, I wasn't able to find anything. So I decided to make this video because maybe I can help for some people. So thanks for watching. As I said, the GitHub link is going to be in the description. You can check it, and if you have any questions at all, just put it into the comment section and I will try to answer it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done it already, and bye.